Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So as we know, St. Patrick's Day is literally this weekend. So for my girls out there who need a look ready to go and on deck, that's what I'm here to do today. I'm going to be doing this look that I posted on Instagram, so that's what we're jumping into today. I am going to be using these two palettes today. This is the Valentino palette from Joann's Beauty, and of course this is the 35B palette from Morphe. But of course, just use whatever you have. If you don't have these two particular palettes, you can use any green eyeshadow that you have. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and jump right into the video and we're gonna get started. For the first shadow, I'm gonna be using this lime green shade right here. And I'm using a tapered blending brush to pack this in the inner corner first. I'm really gonna be pushing this up towards the brow too. And just keep packing on color until you're happy with how intense the color is. I'm also going to kind of bring it over a little bit right here, kind of like under the brow bone highlight. Next, I'm going to be going in with this darker green shade from the Valentino palette. And I'm going to be taking this with a rounded blending brush. I'm packing on the color and then we're going to be blending it out. I'm also carrying this into the inner crease as well. Next, I'm going to be using another rounded blending brush with a little bit of that light green that we use in the inner corner, and I'm just buffing this area out. Then I'm going to go over this inner corner one more time with this lime green. At this point, I'm actually going to go ahead and do my lower lash line as well. So this time I'm taking this rounded brush again, and I'm dipping into that lime green shade, and this is going to go all underneath the lower lash line. I just kind of want to have that like halo effect going around the eye. Then taking some more of that darker green and focusing this a little bit more closer to the lash line. Being sure to connect it here as well. Next, we're going to deepen up the creases with this dark green from the 35B palette, and I'm still using the same brush. Now this shade I am bringing all the way into the inner corner. And under here as well. Now that the base of the eyes are done, I want to go ahead and cut my crease. Boom. So now that we have this going on, I'm gonna go ahead and take this yellow from the 35B palette and just a flat packer brush. And I'm just packing this on the inner third of the lid. Now I'm going back with that lime green that we used in the very beginning, and I'm packing this right next to this yellow. Also going back again with a little bit more of this yellow, I want to pack both back and forth, that way I can help them blend. And then lastly, I'm going to take that dark green from the 35B palette and pack this on the outer third of the eye. And just lightly blend that in with the green, with the lighter green. And then same here, go over it again with this light green. Pack it until the colors blend themselves. I'm also just going to pop a little bit of yellow right here on the inner corner as well. Now if you wanted to, you could totally stop here with the look, add some lashes, and go about your day. That's basically what I did with the look that I posted on Instagram. But today, for some reason, I want to add a pop on the inner corner, so I'm going to go in with my NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner, and this is in the Vivid Halo shade, which is just the yellow one. I'm just going to basically carve out the cut crease. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of black eyeliner to my lid just to kind of help disguise the lash band when we apply our lashes. For lashes, I'm taking a pair from the Royal Collection from Michelle's Beauty Cosmetics. This is the very first pair in the set. Alright, so I'm going to let these dry a little bit, and then now we're going to move on to the lips. I'm kind of wanting a brown glossy lip, so I'm going to just be taking a really dark brown lip liner. To go on top of that, for our gloss, I'm using the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in the shade Charmer. Now I'm going to be adding some mascara. And there you have it, y'all. That completes today's look. I hope y'all really enjoyed it. This was such an easy, fun, colorful look. And of course, it would be great for St. Patrick's Day. So if you're thinking about recreating this look, tag me in your pictures, send me some pictures, whatever you want to do. I would love to see your version of this makeup. If you are celebrating St. Patrick's Day and you're going to be out drinking and going to parades and stuff like that, just be careful and be mindful of how much you're drinking, and of course always be aware of your surroundings, and yeah, just stay safe. And don't forget, if you are not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Also, turn on your post notification bells too, that way you're not missing any of my videos. But other than that, that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.